In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wheels on a LuggageWorks bag. This works for either the Stealth, Executive, or Aurora models. And I'm going to show you kind of the best case and worst case scenarios. This wheel is brand new on this, and I'll show you how to replace that, assuming the wheel is good. On this other side of the bag here, the bearing shot. It rusted out, possibly from the salt and the snow here up in the northwest where I live. But as you can see, it's wiggly and it makes a lot of noise. It needs to be replaced. And trying to back the bolts out to change the wheel, it's frozen. It's all locked up. So I'm going to have to actually end up cutting off the wheel, either with the reciprocating tool, or more than likely here we'll just start off with the big boy, the cutoff wheel. Alright, so to replace the wheel, assuming it's a good wheel, you're just going to use a 7/16 socket, or on the Executive or Aurora models, the Allen wrench. But we'll go ahead and take the bolt out. So as you can see, the bolt should just slide out. Obviously this is a new bolt. I had to cut the old one off because it was rusted and seized up. These are the replacement wheels. They come with a set of bushings that you can insert into there. So it's that easy. Back the bolt out, put the new bushings in the new wheel, slide it all back together, and then tighten it down. That'll keep it from jiggling itself loose, I believe. Alright, so on to the seized up wheel. What I've done here is I have backed this screw out as far as I can, and you can see what it's done is it's actually pulling this aluminum apart. It should just back the screw out, but it's not doing that. It's seized up, so I'm going to have to actually cut it right there. So to do that, I'm just going to go straight to the cutoff wheel. Get some hearing protection on. Right. Okay, so we can get that end off. Ooh, it's hot. All right, so now we'll take our new stainless steel bolt. It's 2 inches long. Throw in some bushings. Let's do this properly. All right, so we'll take our bushings, pop them in the wheel. Throw that in, tighten it down. Alright, there you have it. Fresh wheels should last another couple of years, and the next time I'm going to have them changed before they get to the point of being rusted out and frozen.